would say, sabi nga natin, kahapon natapos po yung legal proceedings. Kanina po, umaga, sa continuation ni Wamil, Attorney Wamil, I said yesterday that it is a political proceedings. Kasi, siyempre, yung mga senator judges would like to, advance their own advocacy tawag yan, or their theory, agenda, tsaka so, kanino sila affiliated po. So, well, that's how it is. That's how politics works. However, ang daming nangyari magaganda po.
Sa morning.
Naganda masyado ang nangyari. And I posted in my Facebook. Sabi ko, completely obliterated si Attorney Wamil. Bakit ko nasabi completely obliterated? Dahil sa mga questions ng mga senator judges. Particularly, yung kay Panfilo Lacson.